Are you a SOLIDWORKS user? Have you heard of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform? Well, whether you have or not, we have a very unique opportunity for you to join us in person to dive into the evolution of the SOLIDWORKS you know and love. I am Mark.
And I'm Gwendy. And SOLIDWORKS and our longtime partner TriMech would like it to extend an invitation to you, our SOLIDWORKS users, to come and connect with our industry experts as we showcase the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and let you discover capabilities you have never had access to before.
We will be hosting live events throughout North America with one very special location, Dassault Systèmes North American headquarters here in Waltham, Massachusetts, located just outside of Boston.
There will be 3 events before the end of the year with more locations to come in 2023. There'll be plenty of food, drinks, and prizes, and also the opportunity for you to meet other SOLIDWORKS users.
So make sure to register. You won't want to miss out. See you there.